Okay, so here you have the second exercise, okay? In this case, we have a moving object that is moving, and these are the data of time and position. So the first thing we have to do is draw in the graph a position time, okay? As we always do, the first thing we are going to do is drawing the axis, okay? So x-axis, y-axis. Okay, first of all, never forget we are going to indicate what we are going to draw in each axis. In this case, as we always do, in the x-axis we are going to draw the time in seconds. Okay, and in the y-axis, in this case, we are going to draw the position. You can write the whole word position or just an S of space and the unit, in this case, meters. Okay, so now in time, for example, every 12 squares is going to be, in my case 15 seconds, okay? So 15, 30, 45, 60, 75, 90, 105, 120, okay? And here, for example, 5, 10, 15, and so on. Five, 40. Okay, once you have the axis, you have indicated what you are going to represent in each axis, and you have divided the axis, you have to paint every pair of seconds 1 point. So 0, 0, my first point, second point, 30 in time, so here, and 10 in position. Here we have 10 in position. Second point, third point, 60 in time, and 20 in position. So third point, here we have it, 90 in time and 30 in position. So 90, 30. Okay, and last but not least, 120 in time and 40 in position. Okay, very good. So once we have all the points painted, we are going to join all the points together to draw this straight line. Okay? The other thing they ask us once we have the graphic drawn is what kind of motion is it? Okay, so something you really need to notice when you are going to design the kind of motion is what you are representing, because for example, in the previous exercise, in a straight line very similar to this one, but representing the speed, means that we have an uniformly accelerated motion. In this case, we don't have an uniformly accelerated motion because what we are representing is the position, okay? So the graph of position that is a straight line is the graph of the uniform motion. In this case, we have a uniform motion because the graph of the position is a straight line. Remember that if it were a uniformly accelerated motion, the graph of position would not be a straight line but a parabol, okay?